in this demo, we're going to send a payload to a bird, and the payload is going to be encrypted with a an algorithm that we developed. It's a military grade, and it's called the Arccrypto, and it uses triple encryption, and it uses PKI technology as well. So let's start. So first we'll grab the start node, and then we'll send a canned data to the destination. We'll encrypt that data with the Arccrypto encryptor, and which basically requires um, a password for compression, password for encryption, and the public key of the recipient. So first we'll put the data. So we have a large payload. We'll set the compression password. We'll set the encryption password. And for the public key, we'll grab a public key and upload it to the our okay, so let's open up the document. So the public keys doesn't have secret, so we'll save that. And then we're going to grab the ID of the public key certificate and use that in the orchestration. Okay. Next, we're going to send that to the bird via satellite. So this is just an image, and then we'll send it to the bird. It's just also just an image. So the bird will decrypt the data using the equivalent uh, Arccrypto decryption, which basically will decrypt it 3 times. So for the document ID, we have to supply a private key. So for this demo, we're going to upload a private key. And I will intentionally uh, not put the correct password for the private key. And we'll grab the document ID of the private key. So without the private key, you can't decrypt the message. So you can have the password for decompression, decryption, but for the private key, you gotta have the right private key. So what I mean for the right private key is that it is should be the other pair of the public key that was used during the encryption. Okay, and then we'll end the office version. So we'll say this as uh, and then we'll play that. Okay, so let's have a look at the messages that is flowing through. So this one here is the input. It's got a big payload, and then we have the output of the Arccrypt triple encryptor, which is this one. And then it went through the satellite. It's the message is unaltered, and it went to the bird, and then the bird uh, decrypts it, but the we gave the wrong password for the private key, so he was unable to decrypt it. So what we'll do is we're going to correct that and supply the correct private key password. Okay, so now we'll grab the ID of the private key and use that for decryption. Okay, so this time the data is decrypted and the bird is able to get the correct data. So let's have a look at the data. So this is the input to the Arccrypto decryption, and this is the decrypted message, which is equivalent to the original message. Thank you. That's the end of the demo.